Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to practice computer delivered IELTS. Okay, you might be thinking that my every other video is on computer delivered IELTS and all that. Well guys, students are literally confused, and even some students are actually turning to other options other than IELTS, okay, because they are not accepting computer delivered IELTS altogether. They were very comfortable with paper delivered IELTS, but let me tell you, all other options available in the market, if we talk about the competitors of IELTS, all the other options, they are 100% computer delivered, right? Whether it is PTE, Duolingo, okay, then we've got Oxford test, then we have language cert, right? All these TOEFL, all these tests are computer delivered. So IELTS is computer delivered only, so there is nothing to worry. It's not surprising. I mean, I'm not surprised at this. It's all normal. So the question is how to practice computer delivered IELTS, whereas we have Cambridge IELTS books 1 to 19, right? And you know, these books are so popular all over the world, and people go through these books and they practice. Let me tell you, computer delivered IELTS is the computer version of Cambridge IELTS books. Okay, nothing has changed and nothing will change. It's all together the same Cambridge IELTS books 1 to 19, that the pattern we have in these books in actual IELTS exam, computer delivered IELTS, you are going to get the similar pattern, same tips, same techniques as well. My son appeared in computer delivered IELTS twice. These days he is in Canada, and just yesterday he visited Niagara Falls and he made a vlog. If you want to see that, he's got his channel Mustain Asad, M-U-S-T-A-E-E-N, Mustain Asad. You can just watch his videos about Canada, about life in Canada. That will motivate you a lot, okay? So he prepared for paper delivered IELTS, right, in the class. In the past, I had paper delivered IELTS only. So he prepared from paper delivered, and without any practice, he appeared in computer delivered and he said, "Daddy, computer delivered is easier than your paper delivered, huh? You kept me entangled with papers and writing and all that." And his handwriting is like my handwriting, and you can understand when you may have seen some of my videos with my handwriting. So computer delivered IELTS is easier, better, and you know, it's very comfortable. Now, how to practice? If you have a set of Cambridge IELTS books, you can practice from there. And then there is one test available on Google. You can just check it, and I'll give the link in the description as well. It is called Computer Delivered IELTS Familiarization Test. It's available absolutely free of cost. Okay, so in Computer Delivered IELTS Familiarization Test, they will tell you, if it is one word only, how to type your answer, the layout of the test. And luckily, the layout that we have in this familiarization test, in actual exam, we have the same format, the same layout. Questions are not same, but the layout is same. So this familiarization, I mean, you can prepare from Cambridge IELTS books. You can watch my videos where I solved tests from Cambridge IELTS books. You can watch those videos, and then, I mean, before you appear in IELTS exam, you need to do some typing. I mean, you can type at least 4 or 5 essays, 4 or 5 task ones, right? And this computer delivered IELTS familiarization test is going to give you a good insight into computer delivered IELTS, and then you're going to realize actually computer delivered IELTS is simple one. For all the young people who are appearing in academic IELTS, for them computer delivered IELTS is gonna be a piece of cake. But people like me, not like me, okay, people who are going to appear in general training IELTS, and their target band is 4, right? For UKVI general training 4 band, for them it can be a little tricky, because these candidates, these GT candidates who are looking for 4 band, they're not familiar with technology. Most of them are not highly educated, right? They are under metric or middle or something like that, okay? So for them, it can be a little tricky. They need practice. But as all of us, we use mobile phones, we type on mobile phones, right? So even they can find their way, because even on paper delivered IELTS, you have to write. And for 4 band, these guys, these students, they don't have good writing. They don't have good writing skills. So at least when they are going to type, examiner will understand whatever they have typed. Otherwise, some students write in a way that we have to call them back to read what they have written. You know what I mean? So in order to practice for computer delivered IELTS, don't worry about speaking. Speaking is going to be face to face with a physical examiner or with an online examiner. We call it remote speaking, and remote speaking was already going on with paper delivered IELTS, okay? In listening, instead of writing your answers and transferring your answers to the answer sheet, you will type your answers. They will give you pen and paper, pencil and paper. If you miss to type any answer, you can just write it down on that paper, and then later on you can type your answer there. For reading, you can change the font size of the text. You can even copy the word and paste it in the blank. For true, false, not given, you just have to click the right option. For list of headings, you have to drag the heading and drop it there. So it's going to be quite easier for you. But the resources, like we have Cambridge IELTS books, they are going to help you, right? I'm converting these books into computer delivered format, and probably after a couple of weeks, these books will be available. For computer delivered IELTS, we will have Cambridge IELTS books into computer delivered format for your practice. So with a little administrative fee, you will be able to access all these books and practice computer delivered IELTS in the real time format, okay? So guys, don't worry. It's not that IELTS is going to change. IELTS is as it was in 1990. Okay, it is the same tips, techniques and question type and all that. Whatever we have in Cambridge IELTS books, they have just shifted it to computer delivered. Otherwise, test is same, format is same, level of difficulty, everything is same. But this computer delivered facilitates you very well. It gives you some options which were not possible in paper delivered IELTS. Okay, I have made a separate video on that. You can watch it as well. So all the best, guys. Thank you so much. I also teach IELTS online all over the world, and in campus in Lahore, Pakistan, we offer IELTS test study plans. If you could not prepare, or if you could not complete your preparation, or if you did not start your preparation and you have a very short time and you want to prepare, we offer full study plan. These study plans cover all 4 modules, and they are available at a little administrative cost. So you can contact us. We have book on IELTS speaking. Your 70 to 80% speaking will come from this book. We have 200 topics for part 1, 100 cue cards, and you're highly likely to get something. This is like a guest book. That is why I call it examiner's book. And for academic IELTS writing and for general training IELTS writing, we have separate books. So if you want to order anything, any of these things, you can just contact us on WhatsApp, all right? And we offer IELTS test booking across Pakistan. In the description box, you will find a link. Click on the link and you can book your IELTS exam. If you find any difficulty, there is the number of our IELTS test booking manager. Call him and he will guide you further. All the best. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.